Winter is nature's time for slowing down, but that doesn't automatically slow down my life. This quiet Sunday, it was particularly cold, and the windows even have ice on them. I do still like to get in some fresh air though. What I've noticed is that winter, the cold and the darkness, none of that changes my schedule. I still have to work and my days are filled, but all of it changes how my body moves through it. Winter can in some way calm the senses, like the sounds are dampened by the snow, the colors are muted, and for me, something inside me settles, not into joy, but into a peace. It's easier to allow myself to take it easy, to slow down, and to just be. Like this morning, I wanted to savor the sunrise and take some moments in peace. Going out for a walk in the winter takes a longer time. Finding the gloves, a scarf, warm shoes, and I already know it won't be a very long walk. The cold already has decided that for me. Strangely, that makes it a little bit easier to accept. There's no pressure to do more, no expectations to stay out any longer than feels right. Outside I also have to slow down. The ground can be slippery, so I have to pay attention where I go and how I walk. The air also feels cold, and even though the colors are muted and the sounds are dampened, there are so many beautiful things to see in nature. Coming back inside, the warmth feels so comfortable and nice. I appreciate it even more now. Winter reminds us that it's not only okay to slow down, it's completely necessary. Even nature needs a slower pace at times. We don't have to grow and build and push through all the time. The slowness comes with me into the kitchen. That way I can more easily hold the moment, just as it is. Winter reminds me that slowing down means letting things be, just as they are. And also to find the beauty in the ordinary moments.